Anong ibig sabihin when there's an elephant in the room? When people say the elephant in the room, ang ibig sabihin nila is the thing, the problem, the issue na the people in the room refuse to talk about. Maybe because awkward siyang pag-usapan, maybe because they recognize it pero they fear na pag sinabi nila yon, hindi magiging maganda yung response. It could be something na nangyari in the past that people don't want to talk about or bring up sa conversation. Now, interesting itong idiom na ito kasi nga naman, ang ridiculous isipin if there's an elephant in the room. An actual elephant ha. Syempre kasi malaki yung size niya at kapansin-pansin naman talaga. So if there's an elephant in the room, wouldn't people know about it? Probably yes, which makes it ridiculous that people don't want to talk about it or point it out. Now, kung gusto natin gamitin ang sentence, you could say something like, her absence was felt by the entire family. The fact that she doesn't talk to them anymore is the elephant in the room. Nararamdaman ng lahat yung pagkawala nitong family member na ito. At yung desisyon niya na hindi na sila kausapin is the elephant in the room or yung problema na nararamdaman nila, nakikita nila pero ayaw na lang nila pag-usapan. Alright, that's today's idiom. I have full video lessons on YouTube. Go ahead and check those out. And don't forget to follow me for more.